Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your YouTube videos, how to see your YouTube videos in full screen. So most of the videos that we see on YouTube are basically cutted down from the left hand and right hand side. Okay, a black screen appears in case we see the video. So while in order to remove that, we need to turn on the full screen mode on YouTube. Go to U option from YouTube and go to settings option and go to general option as well, and you will see that in the 7 number row, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 number row, you see zoom to fill screen. It's written that always zoom so that videos fill the screen in full screen. So if the videos are not supported in full screen, it will make your videos in full screen. Okay, it will zoom in for your visibility to have a better experience on YouTube. So if I turn it on and if I go back and go to YouTube, like go to home option, I will if I go to this one, so if I from here in the square shape option, so this is the main video and it allows you the option to zoom in. So this is now you can zoom in the video for full screen experience. So this is the process through which you can easily have a full screen experience on your mobile phone to see the video for better visibility. So if you turn in this option on, it makes your video zoomed in, and please try to have the quality in 180 pixel. As it zooms in the video, it might reduce the quality of the video. So please turn on 180 pixel to have the perfect viewing experience on YouTube. So this is from my side. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, do like this video as well, and if you find any issues regarding this video, do let us in the comment section. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.